Hi guys, trust that you're doing great. All right, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is BizLift, and like we always do on this YouTube channel, we educate you on everything that has to do with advertising, everything that has to do with your business. Basically, we talk about Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and everything advertising basically. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, thank you so much for coming. And of course, if you're a returning subscriber, you are the real MVP. Thank you so much for coming back. Now, if you're just seeing this YouTube channel for the very first time, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, because there are a lot of valuable videos on this YouTube channel that will help you a whole lot. If you're a business owner, whether you're a career person or you're looking to leverage advertising to either help you make sales or to either help you put out your information out there. Okay, so what is this video about? This video is about something that is very, very important. Now, a lot of people have been sending me so much messages, or I've been seeing a lot of comments on some of my videos about me doing interest targeting for different industries. So whether it is cakes, whether it is food business, whether it is clothing, different industries, different businesses have been asking me to do interest targeting, to do a video on their interest targeting, to help them with the interest that they should be using or targeting to get good results with their Facebook and Instagram ads, right? I can say that you are in luck. I mean, I can say that you're so lucky, because I think it's time for us to do that video. Now, this is going to be a series, so it's not just going to be one video that talks about every industry. No, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be creating videos every week to post an industry and then talk about their interest targeting, and then give basically ideas that can help that particular industry to sell more. So I'm going to be talking about your sales strategy, what I think you should be doing, your content, the content I think you should be using for your ads, for them to work for you, the interest you should be using in that advert for it to work for you. We're going to be talking about the budget also. How much should you spend? What kind of ad strategy should you use? What should your offer look like? I'm going to be breaking down all these things in this series, right? So here's what I want you to do. Now, because I don't want to sound like or seem like I'm partial, I want this to work well. What I want you to do is to leave a comment under this video, leave a comment, and then tag somebody that is in your industry that should also come and leave a comment. So just comment your industry and then tag somebody else to come, and also maybe somebody in your industry to also come and leave a comment and comment that industry. So the industry or the niche or the business with the highest comment, I'm going to start with that, and then we'll follow that every week. So I'm going to follow that list. I'm going to follow that comment list to know how I'm going to be creating the video. So the industry with the highest will get their video next week. The industry following will get their own upper week. So we keep doing it like that. Every week we talk about one industry. All right. So what you need to do again is to leave a comment your niche or your business or your industry, and then tag somebody to also come and subscribe to my channel, and also come and comment their own industry. It could be the same industry, so that you can get your industry video like sharp. Okay, so this is exactly how it's going to work. Thank you so much. And yeah, so I'll be expecting your comments. Please leave your comment. Just comment. All you have to do is just please start with food industry. Right? Start with food industry. Please start with clothing. Just put it like that, and then I'll be able to see or check for the comments, the industry with the highest comments, and then we start with that industry, and then we go on. This is going to be really helpful. All right. So I hope you do that, and so that we can start our series. Thank you so much, everyone. There are more videos that are coming up. Please keep watching the videos, keep learning. If you have questions or anything you need help with, I mean, you can always reach out to me on Instagram. It's at BizLift. That's BIZLIFT on Instagram. You can always reach out to me. If you also want us to work together, you can always reach out to me also on Instagram, or you can just call my number. My number is somewhere on my YouTube channel, or you can also find it on my Instagram page. So go ahead right now. You can reach out to me, and let's get this done. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in another video.